Hey guys, so I'm showing you my Supreme sticker collection. So if you've not seen part 1 or 2, please do click on the links in my comment section and you can check out my remaining stickers over here, guys. So please do like and subscribe. Over here you have this one, which is a guy sitting on a stool, sorry. I really like Bart Simpson stickers because they're so cool. Look at this. This is another cute Betty Boop cartoon. This is one of my favorite Bart Simpson sticker of all time. If you see, he's wearing the Nikes, which is really cool. This is a Supreme spray can. This is the fire hydrant, as you can see here. Very cool. So this is from The Simpsons. If you watched The Simpsons, this guy is wearing the Izzy's, which is very dope. Supreme dog. So another one. Supreme bike. You can actually buy this bike. They have this Supreme hoodie. I have a similar hoodie, but with the box logo here, of course. And here we have a Supreme hat. This is a very popular sticker. That's one of the most common ones. So this is a rare one which you hardly ever get. This is a Supreme sticker. This is a famous dialogue from whatever, but I can't say it. So this is so cool. A Supreme zebra. Over here you have the Supreme skateboarders. So they used to give these stickers for free before, like, because Supreme was not like a Hypebeast brand before. So they used to give you these stickers for free to put on your skateboards. This is Supreme Bruce Lee from a scene in the movie. Very cool, extremely collectible. So guys, yeah, here you go, another cool one. That's from, I forgot the name of this cartoon. Yeah, Supreme Izzy's, I think. They look like Izzy's. Bart Simpson. Over here you have, this is a really artistic piece, very cool. It has like a painting. I don't know if it's Van Gogh or who it is actually, but it's very cool. Supreme baby sticker. Very cool. Supreme box logo. Somebody offered to buy this one. I don't know why. Maybe it's collectible. Supreme. Very cool. This is the Supreme money gun. If anybody has one, it's really fun. It's really cool. See this double Supreme. It's always trippy. It's really cool because you can put it any side. Then we have this one, which is very cool. I don't know why this reminds me of Donald Trump for some reason. So Supreme fries. This is the Supreme accessories kit. I was trying to get this, but I couldn't find it. These are the boxing gloves, a skull, and over here we have the very cool Lady Gaga sticker. And over here we have the last one, which is this grandma. So please do like and subscribe if you want to check out my other collections of stickers and stuff, my Hypebeast stuff. Please do like and subscribe.